So, what we are going to talk about today, as we have seen in the acidic radical, how we should go with the manual, the sequence part. So, suppose if we have a basic radical ka mixture in the board exam, so what type of test should be done? I think sequence is same as you have seen in the acidic radical. Only the difference is that in the basic radical, when you are performing, when you want a cation, two cation, that is the basic radical in the mixture, you need to do the following test, or you can say following stages of the test. As you are aware of that, this is the first preliminary test, then dry test, then preparation of original solution, detection of group, and then last में confirmatory and last में आपका जो है result. So it is the same that of the acidic radical. Only the difference is that ki, like group detection, there will be a particular group, a particular cation would be present in the particular group. That is the major part, the major difference you can say from the acidic and basic radical. But obvious, the cations and anions are totally different. So what will do? Suppose mixture is given to you, okay? Any this one basic radical ka mixture is given, and it will be shown in the exam ki this is the basic radical you have to perform. You have to identify two cations. So first you will do the preliminary test, the color, nature, that you are aware of that. Whatever the color is there, just write down. And most of the salt or mixture would be crystalline in nature only. Whatever we are going to provide, that would be crystalline in nature. Now, crystalline in nature. So after this, you will be moving for a dry test. So in the dry test, we are going to see these type of test. We won't be doing a charcoal cavity test, okay? Charcoal cavity test we are not doing. So we will heat that mixture in the test tube and put the NaOH into it. Flame test, one of the important parts, flame test, okay? And then we'll go for a wet test, the preparation of original solution. I hope you are aware of that. In the acidic radical, we have seen how to prepare the OA solution. Now, one more important part is that see in the mixture, whatever components are there, whatever the basic radicals are there, that is two basic radicals you will be going to get. But in the out of two basic radical, one is common for all part of basic radical. The first would be a different basic radical, but the second radical would be NH4 plus ion. NH4 plus ion would be common in all basic radical के identification. Simple term में हम बोल सकते हैं कि NH4 plus ion, जो ammonium ion, would be there in the mixture when you are performing the basic radical ka test. So in short, you have to identify only one basic radical, okay? So this is compulsory for all basic radical के test में, ये आपको करना ही पड़ेगा, and that is the coming in the group 0. So once you have performed the OS solution, OS solution prepare हो गया, then you will be moving for what? This is the analysis of group 0, that is the NH4 का analysis में, and you will be performing all these tests, and then you will be moving for group detection. Group detection, you can see we have, so whatever this is the group detection from 1 to 6, okay? So out of 1 to 6 test, you will be having you will be getting one group, okay? And that group you are going to perform further analysis. You are going to take a particular group, and then you will be perform that particular group only. The further test will be done from that group only. Suppose you got OS plus dilute HCl, you got the PPT, white PPT, तो आप क्या करोगे, उसी PPT को आप लोगे और वो किस में आ गया, ग्रुप 1 में आ गया, तो देन यू विल गो इन द ग्रुप 1 का एनालिसिस के अंदर. तो आपको इसमें से कोई एक मिलेगा, यू विल बी हैविंग ओनली वन ग्रुप ओनली, याद रखिए. NH4 प्लस वुड बी देयर. तो सपोज आपको ग्रुप 1 मिल गया, तो सिर्फ ग्रुप 1 का ही आप परफॉर्म करोगे, रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स यू वोंट बी डूइंग दिस, ठीक है? एंड देन डायरेक्टली यू विल बी कमिंग टू द this result part. ये जो आपको दिख रहा होगा एनालिसिस ऑफ ग्रुप 1 ग्रुप 2, ये इसी के लिए बताया है। जैसे वहाँ पे कन्फर्मेटरी टेस्ट होता था, ठीक ऐसे यहाँ पर भी है कि एक बार आपने ग्रुप को आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया कि भाई इस ग्रुप के अंदर मेरा ये मिक्सचर है, देन उसी ग्रुप का आपका टेस्ट करना है, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स यू वोंट बी डूइंग एंड डायरेक्टली यू विल बी राइटिंग द रिजल्ट। ठीक है।